it's a process where you go step by step. And so what you want to do is, when you want to make it darker, you know, you go over, you can go over it again. And so when you do like a whole bunch of these, when you go look at the other product, when we go over here, you see that this is not just a painter's job, but more of a artistry job. And that's why you have beautiful people in the world that know exactly what to do to make things look like wood. And if you are interested, we are at splashpaintinc.com, 954-822-3473. Give me a call.